In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this smartphone. You need to begin by exiting settings and scrolling down. Now tap on apps section and click on app lock. Following that, select turn on and create your pattern that you will use to open your apps. Repeat it and choose next at the bottom right corner. Now you can click on sign in and add your mail account or choose not now. If you decide to click not now, you need to wait 5 seconds and click on not now again in this pop-up. Now if you wish to lock all of those, just click on use app lock right away. I don't have to click on all of those apps. Make sure that I can see 0 over here and tap on use app lock then. If you wish to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps, click on settings and follow the instructions. I will go with cancel though. So now I can click on the sweater next to an app that I want to lock, in this case YouTube. And now when I click home button and try to access YouTube app, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!